Hi everyone, I appreciate you stopping in. I have this bag here. This is Eyescream Beauty bag, and I have a package here from DIY Nail Shack. We'll do this one first. Nail Shack can be found on Cratejoy. They have adult packs, kids packs, mom and me packs, varying prices but still very, very affordable. You receive 4 full sets of nail wraps, 1 cuticle pusher, 1 nail file in your package. And with the mom and me, mom gets 2 sets, child gets 2 sets, just so you know. So that's Nail Shack right here, and this is what I see when I open it. Let me just put this in here because it's going to blow away. I have my fan on, so if you can see a reflection, I'm sorry. We actually were able to put the air conditioning off. I think we're going to be like in the 70s and 60s during the day, and we're dropping into the 40s and 50s this week, so I don't know what's going on there. So you get a little thank you. Ooh, try to get that rubber band out of the way. Thank you with your file and cuticle pusher. Ooh, these are interesting. Look at these. It's like a brown marble. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. I love a brown nail polish with gold in it. That's really nice. This is nice. This is blue. Like that. Aw, look at this. For Halloween. This is unusual. Reminds me of like a game board. I love Othello. I played that back in my day in the late 70s, 80s. And like that center part reminds me of Othello a little bit. It's just different. A little abstract. It has a sun catcher on it. It's probably more like Indian vibe, I would think. Or Native American, I probably should say. Not Indian. Native American. Cute. I like them. I think these are my favorite. How unusual. Love it. Thank you, Nail Shack. I'll leave all their information in the description box if you are interested in these. So we'll put you back here. And I haven't even opened this. This just came the other day. I do believe the Eyescream Beauty bag is $12.50 a month. Just going to have to cut it. I don't think I can open it. There is a little tab here. Taxes included. You do pay shipping. 3 to 5 beauty products. And this is the smaller bag to the beauty box, but not smaller in what you get. Wow, this bag is full. Wow, yeah, that's a pretty full bag. So we'll put you back here. So September's little card, it just, oh, look, there's an Eiffel Tower on here, a cup of coffee, some wine. Here's the little card that you get. Exciting. I'll save that. Oh, save that one for last. Ooh, that one might have to stay with me. This is the Beauty Crop Staycation Bronzer and Highlighter. And this is in Capri. Are you sealed now? $10 value. Let's open you up. And some bubble in that little package. This is cute. Cute little packaging. Don't mind my nails. I have to do them this weekend. I just have not felt like it. I'm going to actually try the gel, the cream gel. You have to, and that's a highlight. Oh, highlighter. I thought that said bronzer. Bronzer and highlight. I would not use that as a bronzer, but as a highlight, I would. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, that is icy. Yeah, that's a highlight. That's not a bronze. That is beautiful. Wow. That's got like a little blue in it. I was just trying to get the rest of it off my finger. That is nice. I like that. Ooh, exciting. The next item is from the Beauty Crop. Girl Power Liquid Lipstick. This is metallic matte liquid lipstick right here. $11. The highlighter was $10. This is $11. Do we have a shade? I don't know if ooh, I can't read what it is. Rojito? Maybe something like that. Cannot read it. And that's what that looks like. That is metallic. That looks a little chunky. I don't know. I'm not going to be able to share that. I don't like the looks of that in there. here's this. This is not going to be something that I'm going to wear. It's right there. Not a very wearable shade, in my opinion. Maybe you could use it for an eyeshadow. I don't know. I'll play, but I would not. It just looks chunky, so I would never give that away. Next is here. And this is from myskinnymask.com from Australia. Now, we just got a product from them where? Eyescream box? Yes. And it was like a clay mask. So this is, oh, this is two. So this is your headband to do the mask, which we received. And this is like a mitt. Not like a mitt, it is a mitt. Clean your face. Oh, I like. Even though I will not use the product in the ice cream box because it's clay. If it would have been a different kind of cleanser, I would think about it. But that is wonderful. $25. And then last but not least, right here, and this is from Gourmand Girls, More palette, $40. And this is the Eiffel Tower on it. Oh, I have kept palettes in the past because of that, and then wound up, I think, decluttering them in the end, just because of the packaging. I was not going to keep it. Let's get this out of here. Just hold it in my hand for a minute. Let's see what she look like. You know, looks the same on the inside. I hope it's something. Oh, that is not something I can use, but I love it. I wish this was more wearable. I will not keep this. I cannot pull these shades off. This is like an extremely bright palette. I will share that. So I'll share one product from this. That's not bad. Happens to be the palette, which is it's a beautiful palette. Gourmand Girls has some nice pans. There's no way. I would probably use the brown. I don't even think I would use the other lighter shades. And why keep a palette for one? I'd rather, if somebody else would wear something like that, or could share it with somebody that would get better use out of it. So we have a nice value for this. I think in total it's $16.50. So there's everything from the card. Nice ice cream beauty bag. Love it. Let me know your thoughts. Have any of you purchased either the ice cream beauty box or the ice cream beauty bag? I don't know how much longer the bag is going to be here. I usually only bring something in for 3 or 4 months and then I'll retire it. I did bring this before, probably for a lot longer than 4, maybe about 4 months. I might give it a little break for a little while and we can always revisit it some other time. It really is a phenomenal product. Either one, the box or the bag. Let me know your thoughts. Do you get them? I would love to know. Have a wonderful day. And I think we're supposed to get some rain today. It looks nice out. The windows are open. I love when you can. We had a few days last week, I think, where we could open everything up. And, you know, we've been locked up in air conditioning since end of May, beginning of June. Nice to air it out. Get some fresh air in your lungs, in the house. Just air everything out. And now's usually when washing blankets and getting comforters all freshened up because, you know, they've been packed away for, you know, the season. So everything, the next bed changes, all that will come out, get washed and refreshed and put on beds because we're going to start dipping into the 40s. That might be a little chilly, but you can always close the windows. I have Oreo in the bed, so she's nice and warm generally, but still, sometimes you just want a light blanket. So I got to pull all that stuff out now. But I don't mind. Probably have a few days to do that before I really have to think about it. But let me know what the weather is like where you are. Are you dipping down as low as us? I mean, we're going to be like 47, 48 at night. It's pretty low for end of September. Usually we don't start seeing temps like this till October. I hope this is not a sign of what our winter's going to be like. I saw other parts of the world, like in the southern hemisphere, that is just coming out of winter as we are going into winter. They're just coming out, they're the opposite season as us. And it didn't seem like they had a horrible like snow and like freezing cold like they normally get. Really cold and a lot of snow, and they had some bad rains and stuff like that and a lot of damage that way. But I just hope we don't have a horrible winter. But let me know what it's like where you are in the next coming days and week. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye now.